Hey everyone. Today we're diving into TempMail.so, a super handy free service for disposable temporary email addresses. Think of it like this. A temp email is like a self destructing email address that's great for those times you need an email for something quick and you don't want it sticking around forever. Lots of places like forums, some Wi Fi hotspots, websites, and blogs like to ask you to sign up or register before you can see what's inside, right? Whether it's a cool post, a funny comment, or something to download, they'll want your email first. Well, TempMail.so comes to the rescue. It's one of the best throwaway email services that helps you dodge spam and stay safe online. So let's get into it. First things first, you'll want to fire up your browser and head on over to this address right here, which is TempMail.so. Once you're there, you'll land on the TempMail.so homepage. Right at the top in this little text box, you can see that your temporary email address is loading. What's happening is TempMail.so is generating that unique email address for you. And there we go. In just a few seconds, TempMail.so creates a brand new temporary email address. Pretty cool, huh? You've got a couple of ways to grab your new email. You can copy it straight to your clipboard. For most of us, the copy option is the easiest, and that's what we'll be using today. Now, under that newly generated temp email, you've got a few more buttons. The one on the far left copies to your clipboard again. To its right is the button to refresh your inbox. We'll check that in a bit. Okay, I'm going to scroll down a little just to show you the TempMail.sp inbox. You've got columns for the sender, the subject, and a view column where we'll click to view the emails. And as you can see, our inbox is currently empty. TempMail.so is just waiting for messages to come in. All right, let's actually use TempMail.so now. I'm going to sign up for a free CodePen account, which is open in the next tab. So what we're going to do first is just click on the Sign Up button. Now, CodePen gives us a few options to sign up with: Twitter, GitHub, or Facebook, but I'm going to use the Sign Up with Email option. Just going to click on it here, and then just scroll down. So what we need here is some information, like our email address. I'm going to right-click into the email box and paste our temp email address from TempMail.so. For the name and username, I'm going to be super lazy and just use the same as our temporary email address. I'm just going to copy it here and then paste that in as my name and as my username. For my password, I'm just going to whip something up real quick. All right, that's done. I'm going to hit submit, and bam! Just like that, we've easily signed up for a CodePen account. Usually when you sign up for a new service, they send you an email to verify your account. So we need to go find that confirmation email. So I'm just going to hit never to save the password and then go back to our temp mail tab and make sure the inbox is looking good. As you can see, it is, and we have a new email right on top. It's from verify@codepen.io, and the subject is Welcome to CodePen. I'm just going to click on this little arrow to view the message. There we go. It's a full email from CodePen sitting here in our TempMail.so inbox. To confirm our registration, we'll simply click on Click to Verify Email. Once we've done that, we've officially verified our CodePen account and we are ready to use it. And that basically wraps it up, folks. That's how you use TempMail.so to create a free temporary email address. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and leave a comment down below. Most importantly, please subscribe to support the channel. I'll catch you in the next video.